So I believe that women have made significant progress in the recent years. Even then, they have to juggle between multiple roles, responsibilities. In our organization in Pennant, I've seen women are recognized for their contribution, and this organization is always strives in creating a more inclusive and equitable work environment. So I've completed 1 year. I've seen that we are not discriminated over here. We got equal opportunities, and we can tap into our potential, talent, and we have the freedom to explore by challenging the stereotypes. So that's really cool over here.
When we talk about general equality at Pennant, we have an unbiased opportunities, equal roles and responsibilities, and equal pay structure. The organization created a more inclusive and supportive workplace which is quite flexible and friendly. It's been my pleasure to be part of this family.
At Pennant, they foster a culture of equality and fairness. For having a positive work environment, this plays a quite crucial role. So, from delegating roles and responsibilities to having various career opportunities, Pennant mantra is, if you can deliver as per expected, then there is no limit to success.
I'm a working mum. Achieving work-life balance can be a challenge for working parents, but I'm grateful that Pennant has been very supportive to balance both my career and my family. We have a very balanced environment here in Pennant where we find women at different levels in the organization. And it is also very encouraging to see that Pennant has created an inclusive and diverse workplace where everyone, regardless of the gender, has the opportunity to contribute and succeed.